Understanding Wi-Fi Channels, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of Wi-Fi channels. Understanding these channels can significantly improve your internet experience, especially in areas with lots of Wi-Fi networks. Let's dive in. Wi-Fi channels are like lanes on a highway but for your Wi-Fi network. They ensure that data travels smoothly between your Wi-Fi router and your devices. Each channel is a specific band of frequencies within the Wi-Fi spectrum, and using the right channel can reduce interference and boost your Wi-Fi speed. Imagine living in an apartment building where everyone has their own Wi-Fi. If multiple networks use the same channel, it's like having too many cars on one lane, leading to traffic jams. This results in slower internet speeds and unreliable connections. Choosing a less crowded channel is like finding a faster route for your data. Most routers automatically select a channel, but this isn't always the best choice. You can use Wi-Fi analyzer tools to scan for the least crowded channel. In general, for 2.4 GHz networks, channels 1, 6, and 11 are often recommended as they don't overlap with each other. To change your Wi-Fi channel, you'll need to access your router's settings. This usually involves typing the router's IP address into a web browser and logging in. Once in, look for Wi-Fi settings or similar, and select the channel you want. Remember, the process might vary depending on your router model. That's all about Wi-Fi channels. By understanding and adjusting them, you can ensure a more reliable and faster internet connection. I hope this video helps you optimize your Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.